Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use NowBux in BlueStack 5 application player. So I made this video for for you that the first time use this BlueStack 5 in your system. So here, after you sign in with your account, after you create account in BlueStack 5, immediately you can get this 10 NowBux. So what is NowBux and how to use it? Just click this in order to learn about NowBux. Here we go. Based on support.bluestack.com, this is the official website of BlueStack where you can download BlueStack 5. NowBux is an all-in-one safe and secure gaming currency from BlueStack by Know.gg, which you can earn on BlueStack to get exclusive discounts on in-game purchases with select games. So here, where you can use NowBux, so the site games in which NowBux can use will be marked with the BlueStack tag here. There's a BlueStack tag as shown below on the game's title. Not all games, unfortunately. So the BlueStacks tag also encompasses games that are BlueStacks exclusive, such as paid games for free, games with unlocked levels, etc. And here you can also quickly access these games through the BlueStack Ready section with the Browse tab as shown below. So here you can click BlueStack exclusive, and here we go. This is the list of games that you can use the NowBux for in-game purchases. And here, so in order to use NowBux, you can launch the game and select the item that you want to buy as shown below. Select NowBux as the payment method. Here you can click NowBux. There is PayPal, credit card. Just choose NowBux. Depending on your current NowBux balance, you may be required to add additional funds. To proceed with the purchase, tick the checkbox beside I have read and accepted the term of use and then on continue as shown below. To purchase additional NowBux, you can click on buy. Here we go. On the next screen, you can choose the payment method. Click on the pay button to initiate the payment process. Once the process has been complete, you can a payment confirmation message will appear on your screen. Click on continue to buy item. Now the required NowBux has been added. Here we go to your account, which will be visible on top bar. You can now use NowBux to complete your in-game purchases. So this is will will shown on your top bar. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.